Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about joining BetMGM or want to make sure you get the best possible welcome offer in 2026, you're in exactly the right place. In this detailed guide, we're going to walk through everything you need to know about finding and claiming BetMGM promo codes right now. I'll show you the current welcome offers, the actual promo codes that trusted sites are using, how the bonuses work in different states, a clear step-by-step sign-up process, important terms you should understand, smart tips to get the most value, and plenty of responsible gambling reminders. Before we jump in, here's an important note. Sports betting offers can change quickly, and they vary depending on where you live because of state rules. Everything I'm sharing today is based on information available as of the end of April 2026. Always double check the exact offer and full terms directly on the BetMGM website or app before you sign up or deposit any money. You must be at least 21 years old in most states, and you have to be physically located in a state where BetMGM is legal to play. Gambling should be fun, so only bet what you can comfortably afford to lose. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll catch future updated bonus guides as things evolve throughout the year. Alright, let's get started. First, why do so many people still choose BetMGM in 2026? It's one of the most established and trusted sportsbooks out there. It's backed by the MGM Resorts name, which brings a lot of reliability. The app is smooth on both iOS and Android. The odds are competitive across all the major sports like NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, soccer, and more, and it connects nicely with the MGM Rewards program. That means your betting activity can sometimes earn you points toward hotel stays, dining, or other perks at MGM properties. When it comes to new player welcome offers, BetMGM currently runs two main types, and which one you see depends on your state. In most states, the main promotion is the first bet offer. You place a real money bet on your first wager up to a maximum stake of $1,500. If that bet loses, BetMGM gives you the amount you wagered back as bonus bets. If it wins, you simply keep your winnings as normal cash, and the bonus doesn't come into play. In a few specific states, Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, the standard offer is usually the lower risk option. Bet $10 and get $150 in bonus bets if your first bet wins. You only risk a small amount up front, and if you win, you get the bonus on top of your regular payout. If the bet loses, you just lose the $10 and no bonus is awarded. Many partner sites also throw in an extra $50 in BetMGM rewards points after you make a qualifying deposit. These points can help you move up the loyalty tiers faster and unlock better ongoing promotions later. Now, let's talk about the actual promo codes that are working right now. As of late April 2026, here are some of the ones being actively used by reputable betting review sites. Popular codes for the up to $1,500 first bet offer include Goal1550 from Goal.com, Covers50 from Covers.com, Play LSR from Legal Sports Report, Fox Sports from Fox Sports, CyBonus50 from Sports Illustrated, RotoBRP 1500 from RotoWire, and others like SBD 1550 or CBS Sports. For the Bet $10 get $150 version in Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, codes like HandleGet, CU's MGM, SI Live 150, and RotoSports are commonly listed. Here's something important to remember. You don't always need to type in a code. Sometimes just clicking through a trusted partner link will automatically apply the best available offer for your state. And never pay anyone for a promo code. All legitimate codes are completely free. Let me break down the offers by state a bit more clearly so you know what to expect. In states like Arizona, Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Missouri, North Carolina, Ohio, Tennessee, Virginia, Wyoming, and many others, plus Washington, D.C., the primary offer is usually the up to $1,500 first bet refund in bonus bets if your wager loses. Notes that the full amount may not be available or may have restrictions in places like New York. In Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, you'll most often see the bet $10, get $150 in bonus bets if your first bet wins. Bonus bets themselves come with rules you need to know. They are not the same as cash. You cannot withdraw them directly. You have to wager them at least once, and any winnings from those bonus bets, minus the bonus stake, then become withdrawable cash. Most bonus bets expire after 7 days, so it's best to use them soon after they appear in your account. There are also usually minimum odds requirements, so always check the exact terms shown during sign-up or in your account. Okay, let's walk through the sign-up process step by step so it feels straightforward when you do it yourself. Start by finding a trusted link from one of the well-known review sites. I'll put some safe, reputable ones in the description below this video. Click that link to begin. Next, hit the Sign Up or Join Now button. You'll need to enter your personal details accurately: your full legal name, date of birth, email address, phone number, home address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is required for age and identity verification, plus responsible gaming rules. When you get to the promo code or referral code field, enter one of the current codes carefully. For example, covers 50, Goal 1550, Play LSR, Fox Sports, or HandleGet, depending on your state. Double check the spelling. If you're using a partner link, the offer may apply automatically, even if you leave the field blank. After that, make your first deposit. The minimum is usually $10. You can use options like PayPal, Venmo, debit or credit cards, online banking transfers, or other methods that BetMGM supports in your state. Once your account is funded, place your qualifying first bet within the next 7 days. Make sure the bet meets any market or odds rules listed in the offer terms. After the bet settles, the bonus should appear in your account. For the first bet offer, if it loses, you'll get the stake back as bonus bets, often split into smaller amounts like 5 equal parts if the stake was over $50. For the bet 10 get 150 offer, the bonus is credited only if your $10 bet wins. Don't forget to complete any final identity verification by uploading a photo of your government-issued ID if BetMGM asks for it. This step is important before you can withdraw any winnings. Here are some practical tips to help you get the most out of the offer and avoid headaches. Take screenshots of the exact offer terms right when you sign up so you have a clear record. Compare the risk level of the 2 offers if you're somehow able to see both. When using your bonus bets, think about placing them on markets with decent odds, maybe in the plus 150 to plus 400 range, to give yourself a better shot at turning them into real withdrawable cash. Keep an eye on those 7-day expiration dates. After you claim the welcome bonus, keep logging in because BetMGM runs ongoing promotions like daily odds boosts, same game parlay boosts, profit boosts during big events, and seasonal offers around the NFL, NBA playoffs, and more. A few common mistakes to watch out for. Don't enter an old or incorrect code. Make sure your first bet is on an eligible market. Never try to withdraw bonus bets as cash without wagering them first. And always sign up from within a legal state without using a VPN because that can cause account problems. If you're also interested in online casino games, BetMGM often has a separate welcome offer in states like Michigan, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. This can include a 100% deposit match up to $1,000 or even $2,500 plus bonus spins. Codes like Sportsline 2500 or Action 2500 have been used for the casino side. Remember, these are separate from the sportsbook bonus. Once you're an active player, take advantage of the MGM Rewards loyalty program. Every bet you place earns points and tier credits. The extra $50 in rewards points that often comes with sign up gives you a nice head start toward higher tiers and better ongoing perks. Before we finish, let's talk seriously about responsible gambling for a moment. Sports betting is meant to be entertainment, not a way to pay bills or chase losses. Only use money you can afford to lose without affecting your daily life. Set deposit limits, loss limits, and time limits using the tools inside the BetMGM app. These include reality checks and self-exclusion options if you ever need them. If you or anyone you know is struggling with gambling, help is available right away. In the United States, call the National Problem Gambling Helpline at 1-800-GAMBLER or visit the National Council on Problem Gambling website. BetMGM also works with support organisations. There you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on how to find and claim BetMGM promo codes and welcome offers in 2026. We covered the current codes like Goal1550, Covers50, Play LSR, Fox Sports, Handle Get, and others. The differences between the $1,500 first bet offer and the Bet 10 Get 150 version, the full sign-up flow, bonus rules, strategy tips, casino options, and most importantly, how to play responsibly. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which offer are you leaning toward? The bigger first bet protection in most states, or the lower risk Bet 10 Get 150 if you're in Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, or West Virginia? Tell me your state and your thoughts in the comments. I read as many as I can. If this long guide helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest bonus breakdowns, and share it with anyone who might be getting into sports betting this year. All the trusted BetMGM sign-up links and the promo codes I mentioned are safely listed down in the video description and pinned comment. Only click if you are of legal age and in a legal jurisdiction. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this full guide. Stay informed, bet responsibly, and good luck with your bets in 2026. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.